Hi, I am Emma. I love exploring outside and getting a little muddy. I know all about nature and our environment.
Hi, I am Kai. I love building rockets and asking big questions. I know all about science and outer space.
Hi, I am Jaden. I love running, jumping, and playing every sport there is. I know all about sports and staying healthy.
Hi, I am Nova. I love computers, gadgets, and figuring out how things work. I know all about technology and computers.
Hi, I am Ollie. I love trying yummy new foods and helping in the kitchen. I know all about food and healthy eating.
Hi, I am Dad David. I love fixing things around the house and building cool gadgets. I know all about engineering and how things work.
Hi, I am Mom Sarah. I love taking care of our family and helping everyone feel better. I know all about health and medicine.
Hi, I am Sister Chloe. I love painting, music, and stories from around the world. I know all about arts and culture.
Hi, I am Grandpa Joe. I love telling stories about the old days and our family traditions. I know all about history and traditions.
Hi, I am Grandma Rose. I love baking cookies and teaching handy life skills. I know all about cooking and life skills.
Hi, I am Max. I love playing fetch and looking out for my family. I know all about pet care and safety.
And so, surrounded by colorful bricks, the Happy Group celebrated their day in the park.
Yeah! Look at Max! He's gonna jump!
Luna holds the hoop.
So steady! Max jumps through. Perfect!
Wow!
Now you know all of us. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.